Sorry for the wait, but here is part 2. For the kneecaps, I do instruct my client to bend the knees, and I am going to be working in smaller sections. Every client is different, so we really just look at the hair growth and decide what direction we're going to apply the wax. This specific client had hair growth going downward, so that's what we're going to do. Sometimes hair can grow sideways as well, so just depending on your client's hair growth. I am going to split up the knee into 3 separate sections: the outer, center, and inner. When I remove my strips, I make sure that I'm going upwards and then also to the side. The knees are probably one of the most dry areas on your body, and also since there's a lot more bone in this area, it is a little bit more difficult. One of my strips did break on me because I left it sitting for a little bit too long, so I would just suggest to remove the strips as fast as possible so it doesn't dry and break on you. But look how satisfying the kneecap looks. So like I said, you can see my strip breaking right there. And all I had to do is readjust myself and pull again. And then right now I am just doing some cleanup strips. I've seen waxers do the knees with their legs all the way straight forward. So it really just depends on what your preference is. I like to have my clients in this angle. And everything that I do on one side, I do try to do on the other side, just so I have a clear pattern of what I need to do. Also, for those asking if these are girl or guy legs, I just want to say, who cares? I'm a waxer. We're just showing how to remove hair. And like I mentioned in my previous video, don't be afraid to move your client's legs around so you can see me kind of pulling them downward just to get those inner areas, or you can even have your client in like a butterfly position. Stick around for part 3 and part 4. We're going to do the upper part of the legs and also the back of the legs. But literally, how satisfying is this full leg?